Hello guys, welcome to Gatsby GH. Today after church I had to go to No Frills to pick up something, and trust me, this inflation thing is killing people. It's killing us. Unbelievable. $100, I think it was $97 worth of stuff. The only thing that I took out of here, it's a box of it's a small tissue, and then like kitchen tissues, right? And then small toilet papers that comes in, I think 6. And then I took out 3 loaves of bread and 1 box of cereal. And this is the rest of the $97 worth of stuff from No Frills. Okay, I got some coconuts. I got this banana, right? So I'll put my coconuts here. This was like $6.99. Ketchup that used to be like 3 something. $6.99. I got this. Ayago. This is, I think, $6.99 as well. It used to be $4. And I got some eggplants. Okay, so this goes here. Will be the final destination of this. The eggplant goes here. 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 That. And then we got some chocolate croissant. 2 of them. One is $5 each. And this is just plain croissant. It's like a butter croissant, I think. And then I got this ripe bananas from this is what we usually make this. We fry this for like fried plantain. Okay, the sweet plantain. We call it cocoa in Ghana. Yes. You see this? So let's recap. This is the ripe plantain. It's 99 cents per pound. This thing used to be like 60 something cents. The green one, this one, even used to be so low, right? But now look at that. So this, only this, and then the 2 loaves of bread or 3 loaves of bread, tissue, not the bigger one, the smaller one. It comes in, I think, 6 tissues, and then toilet paper 6, and a box of cereal. $97. Hey, this inflation better go away, eh? Because it's killing some of us. Anyway, so there you go. But I love shopping at No Frills because you get points for your optimum, and trust me, that goes a long way in such hard times. Thank you so much. Keep visiting my channel. Bye. If you like what I do, just please subscribe and share and ring the notification bell. And if you find these groceries so expensive, please comment down below and tell me what shocks you the most when you go to the grocery store. You know what? These the lettuce used to be, I think, Dada, how much was it? Dada, let us know, how much was it? But it used to be how much? 99 cents? 99. The lettuce used to be Romanian. Is that Romanian lettuce? No, the lettuce, the one that comes like in the bowl, right? The lettuce. It used to be 99 cents. Now it's at $2.99. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. But anyway, comment down below. Show us, which item at the grocery stores that shocks you the most, the price difference. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.